get a lot of comments, especially on forums and things. You get a lot of people saying that, electric equipment, it's fine for homeowners, but you could never run a business like that. And most of the time, those people commenting are people that are weekend warriors, or maybe they mow, 20 yards on the side or something like that. And a lot of times, those people can be very discouraging. You see those types of people commenting on lots of different, postings of various topics. And a lot of times, it can discourage people that are new to the business or actually trying to grow. And it just seems to be something that's pretty common in our industry. But the answer to that question is you can absolutely run a business using all electric equipment, and you can mow commercially. We currently service hundreds of properties, and our equipment's held up for years. Now, are there some challenges we face that you don't face with gas equipment? Sure. But are there some benefits that we have that people using gas equipment don't have? Absolutely, especially right now when gas is over $4 a gallon. We're operating very, very cheaply. And if you look at the types of vehicles we use in our other videos, our Priuses get 50 miles to the gallon. Like I said, the answer to the question is you can absolutely start an all-electric lawn care business and be successful. I guess you're going to have some more challenges. The technology is getting better every year drastically. And as I've said in a previous video, I think within the next 5 to 10 years, the majority of companies are going to be switching to electric because as the costs come down, as the performance and the battery capacity go up and the cost of gas equipment goes up and fuel, it's just going to be a no-brainer because there are so many benefits to electric equipment. Same as other tools, we don't still use corded drills and saws. We don't use stuff like that. We use electric because it's gotten to the point where all these small hand tools are just small power tools are just so much better at a battery version, and same thing is going to happen to outdoor power equipment, and it already has to a large degree. But I hope this is encouraging to some of you that might have gotten some discouraging words from people that probably don't have much of a business anyways. But please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.